My father died in 2013. There are people who owed my father. I told this story about the debtors to a classmate. He listened well and said that I can help you. Since I know influential people, we will go and explain. He will support. I said, if I get a loan, I will agree with all of you. The loan amount was more than $35,000. Get ready, on Monday we will go to the general, he said. It was Monday. I got ready, met a classmate, and went to the general. The last name of this general was Zukurov. He did not give his name. I did not ask either. In government agencies, he was the head of the archives department, that is, state secrets. This happened in 2014. We are talking about General Sidomir, but his identity is unclear to us. Zukurov seemed to be a modest, compassionate, simple person. He was retired. My classmate told him about me and our family, as well as about the debtors. Zukurov's position was very simple. Even pity came.